humidity holding steady at 0.5%.
Good. We are maintaining optimal conditions for the Process A materials.
The functional check confirms all fixed attributes are maintained.
Absolutely consistent with the required aerospace standards.
The high-strength polished stainless steel Pitot tubes are directed onto Process A, nose cone integration prep.
The specialized ceramic coating is meticulously applied to the Pitot tubes, ensuring optimal heat distribution for the Mirage 2000's anti-icing systems.
Process B material conditioning is complete. The nitrogen injection is stabilized.
Confirmed. Data logs are clear.
The complex electromechanical angle of attack sensor assemblies are stored in environmentally controlled lockers.
Torque wrench set, applying final tension now.
Every detail of the conical tip and static ports is archived. This completes the quality control record for Process A, confirming the finished product's attributes.
The heat signature is uniform. Full electrical integrity confirmed.
Excellent. Process A is officially validated.
upgrades. The harness is now routed through the sealed channel toward the central flight control computer bay. Automated clips secure the wiring.
As high-frequency signals are broadcast within the chamber, sensors meticulously monitor the electrical output.
Confirming power on. Initiating Process A diagnostic. Systems check complete, all readings nominal.
Redundancy pathways confirmed. Process A is complete.
Injecting fault sequence now, and we have automatic switchover, backup active.
The calibration computer records the digital signals, mapping the electrical output curve against the physical angle input.
This critical validation step, known as Process B manufacturing, ensures the electronic attributes are stable across the full operational temperature range.
Cross-reference the AoA against the Pitot output.
Coherence is confirmed. It's a successful integration.
We are initiating the final leak check now. Pay close attention to the nitrogen levels.
Levels stable. The seal is holding perfectly. Check complete.
Sierra 1 to command. Package is mobile. Moving to the main artery.
Copy that, Sierra 1. Maintain secure perimeter.
Look at that trace, perfectly smooth.
Confirmed. Angle of attack holding steady.
Camera examines the angle of attack sensor housing after the high-speed test flight. The surface texture remains pristine, confirming the durability of the material.
As you can see here, the AoA sensor performed exceptionally during the maneuvers.
Instrument approach fully established. Speed and angle of attack holding steady.